Okay, coming to your departure, travel, packing, everything.
Yeah, so once this all was done, we were excited now. Like me and my flatmates. So I was like we four had formed a group. So I live with four people. We all live in individual rooms. So we had formed a group before, like obviously way before coming here. So our visas were not approved at that time. So we were still looking for like place to stay. But obviously we would sign the lease and all after at least two of visas were approved. I was the second person whose visa got approved, and then we and the person who got approved earlier, we started going into that research mode of finding flights and when should we go. So our semester started from I think 22nd August or 16th August. I'm not sure. But we said we decided to come here a little bit early. So we landed here on 6th August. So we came like almost 2 weeks before the semester. Generally, people come like 1 week before, but we decided we would come 2 weeks before. So three of us booked a flight. We all were from Mumbai, so we all packed together and booked together. My flight was in Turkish Airlines. So I would say if you're a little bit tall, book an aisle seat. It's a little bit costly, not that much costly as well, but it's fine. I mean, it's very comfortable because they're long flights. And I was first time going outside India. I had never been on international flight. So I was a little bit nervous, but one of the flatmate, he had been to US before and he was a little bit aware of like booking which seat and all. So was happy with that. uh, Packing is a big hassle. I mean, there's so many things. I would say keep a list of final things that are in the bag. Okay, just keep on your phone in notes, keep a final list. Okay, in this bag one, what all is there, in bag two, what all is there, so that in case they do an extra baggage security check, you actually have a list of stuff that you have, which is very important. And it also helps when you're unpacking. Okay, unpack when you're unpacking, you need to know where a scissor is. You don't have to open all three bags and look through them, so you just know exactly where to look at. I would say about food and all, always keep packed things. Never buy and pack like product like bought from market, not home packed or something. And don't keep fruits and all, nothing obviously. And whole anything like seeds, like we have a lot of spices that are seeds or whole spices. I would suggest to avoid that. There's some people brought it, it's fine, but I think it's not allowed. Also, you can, if there is any confusion, you can always ask people on Reddit. Also, TSA has a website there, you can just check if this is allowed or not. uh, I did vacuum pack a lot of things. I even vacuum packed a pillow and brought it, which is a good hack, I would say. Because first day you're here, you actually need to sleep, and the pillow helps. Uh, Other than that, try to keep it within the weight limit. A little bit over is fine, but they know this is student season. A lot of students are flying, and airlines are, I don't know. Like, it depends on your luck, but uh, they might just charge you extra, I would say. Uh, but yeah, so I would say suggest, uh, it is okay if you don't just carry essential things. Obviously bring a lot of clothes with you and books and all, but some people bring random things that are not actually needed. It's a very, because there is that much space, you can't carry a lot of luggage and all. So it is, but it is a good family exercise, the packing, because everyone has to be involved packing those bags. So in, I don't know.
Okay, we can buy in US itself rather than buying.
So I would say don't carry a lot of like cold wear, like jackets and all. They're pretty good here, and according to the climate here. So, and in India, if they're available, also they're pretty costly, and it's much cheaper to buy here. And also, thing is, cold in most places. Winter starts like there's a Black Friday sale in November end. And that time you can buy a lot of winter wear and all, which is pretty cheap. So which will help you through the winter. You can carry like little one or two jackets, one like a good jacket if you have, which is especially if you're going towards like New York or those universities, you should carry a good jacket. But don't spend too much on buying. Just keep one that gets you through the few months, and then you can buy there. Yeah.